Hello folks and welcome back. We're going to be learning Breath by Pearl Jam, but just the solo. I've already done the rest of the parts, I believe, and this is for Patreon Louis Garcia. So thank you very much indeed for your support, Louis, and hope you'll enjoy this one. Now, I'm using a different amp today. Oh yes, no pedals at all. I'm going to be using a Boss Katana. Distorted tone. And I've also got an expression pedal doing the wah part. It's got a bit of reverb on it. There's the reverb. Without. With. And we could always put a bit of delay on as well, right? So that's what I'm going for. If you've got a Boss Katana, then I'll chuck up the preset over at Patreon so you can download that for free and import it if you wish. Let's crack on and learn this thing. So I'm going to break it down into sections. I'll play each section before I do it as well as I can. So first section goes like this. Alright, pretty straightforward. Let me take the wah and the delay off when I go through it slowly. So you've got 4 full bends. Then a bend and release. Alright, then you got this rundown. That's pretty straightforward. You just got a in the middle of that rundown. And then the next bar goes. But the second double stop staccato actually. Straightforward. Then you got this little rundown. And then put it all together. And that's the first bit. Second bit, I think he goes to neck pickup. Again, let me try and play this bit through. That's pretty much the next section, right? Let me take the gubbins off again. So you're going to play. That's the whole shebang, okay? So in sections, full step bend on the second fret. And then you got this. That's the first phrase, then. All pentatonic stuff. Then the next phrase goes. So it's just a little country rock type run, but it's just played very quickly. So then you've got to end the phrase. So slowly the whole thing. Like that. Still on the neck pickup, the next section goes. And then you're back onto the bridge pickup for. And then into some well-known mic stuff. Let me turn those off again. So again, slowly, we've got double stop bends. With that rhythm. Then that should be pretty straightforward. Then you got some bends. So it's the 14th fret bent up and the 15th fret on the B held, right? Back to the bridge pickup, and then you've got. So full bend on the 17th fret on the E. And while it's held, you play 10 notes. And then you've got a pre-bend and release. Then, and then, so that last phrase is, and then this part. So basically 8 of this. 15, 17, 15, right? And you end it with this. A quick hammer on and pull off, right? Next part's tricky. I think you might be on the neck pickup for this bit. It's quite quick though, but it's still just a bluesy run. Goes. And then lots of similarities with the Alive solo, I think, for this one. So without the wah and stuff, it's learn that bit first. Then those two phrases together. And then tag on this one. So the first one. Again. And then to speed. It's tricky, but you can do it. Then you got this. Really straightforward, that one. It's nice and easy. Then there's this chunk back on bridge pickup again, I think. After that, he plays. Okay, so let's do that a little bit first. Actually, I think that's a half step bend. Then you've got 4 of these. Alright, that's pretty straightforward, but it's just fast. So play that however you wish. I think little finger is the easiest. And then you've got like that. Neck pickup again. You know what's going to come next, don't you? Down an octave. And the next chunk goes like that, right? Let's do that bit. So we've got a bend on the 2nd fret. That rhythm. Let me turn the wah on the delay off again. Then this run. Again. Pretty straightforward. Then you got this. That's really easy. Then you got these triplets. Something along those lines. And then the last part, I think, back to bridge. And as it fades out, you'll also get. And it fades out from there, so you can just noodle away there, right? But winding back a bit, we've got. That's pretty easy. It's just double stops all the way. Do a bit of wah-y stuff. So you play, and then 2 lots of 16th notes, and then you got this. That repeating phrase, right? So it's just then play twice. And then... and then just burn around until the end. That is it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers, bye-bye.